A nationwide recall of 8.2 million stainless King food jars and bottles has been issued due to serious impact injury and laceration hazards. Pressure can build up if perishable foods or drinks are left inside for too long, causing the stopper to forcefully eject when opened. This can lead to serious injuries. There have already been dozens of reports, including injuries requiring medical attention. This recall includes certain stainless King food jars, model SK3000 and SK3020, and all Sportsman bottles, model SK3010. Check the model number on the bottom of your container. If your product is affected, stop using it immediately and contact Thermos for a free replacement pressure relief stopper or replacement bottle, depending on your model. Don't take the risk if you own one of these containers. Contact Thermos today. For more information, visit Thermos Recall Support or contact customer service.